Now AI can even do plant design. Just by painting color block, add text labels alongside. It'll generate the right border for you. You can also collage assets and do one-click design rendering. Whether it's a courtyard landscape, and shopping street, front entryway, park or garden. It can also generate video demonstrations. Let's see how to operate it. First, enter the ArchMaster.ai. You can pick an image and generate flowers from it. Once you're in, you'll see these options: text description, doodle mode, and collage mode, as the name suggests, which generates plants based on text descriptions, hand-drawn graffiti generation, and collage material generation. Let's take a look at the doodle mode. Through color blocks and text definitions. To roughly place plants. Upload the background image. Use the drawing tool to draw color blocks, and add text for labeling. Click Generate. Based on the content of the doodle and annotation, to generate the corresponding plant flower border. The graffiti mode limits the general position, and the plant type is limited by the text labels. Not only is it simple to operate, and the final effect is roughly consistent with the text. Realistic version is more consistent. Effect version is crisper. Detail version is fast and looks great. Then there is the collage mode. Upload the base image first. Then select the version. Then go pick your plant assets. The website provides a large number of plant materials for you. Of course, you can also upload local materials, and paste it a little. After pasting like this, click Generate. You can actually place the flower mirror in the scene. Can also change the style and regenerate it. Isn't it great? Even if there is no background image. After creating a good flower border, it will automatically generate a suitable background to achieve the actual landing effect display. Finally, look at the text description. This mode is in the form of a text-to-image, without uploading a base image. Here it is recommended to use the effect board. Click to automatically match them. You can modify it on this basis. Of course, you can also match without template. Write the prompt for generation. When you're happy with it, click Generate. You can see that the generation is very accurate. Generating multiple times will result in different plans. After generating the plan, go to the image to video tool. You can use a single rendering. Generate a roaming display video, or first and last frame images. The growth animation is pretty cool, right? AI still doesn't get all plants. It'll get smarter and stronger. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.